What's up everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Hello Kitty. So if you don't know who Hello Kitty is, literally how do you not know who Hello Kitty is? But if you do not know who she is a white cat with a red bow. That's literally it. It's that simple. And basically guys, Hello Kitty was created by a Sanrio employee in 1974. Oh my gosh. Hello Kitty is literally 50 years old. Honestly, she looks great for 50, but 50 also got some Hello Kitty products. So basically, a week ago, I stopped at my local CVS and it was filled with Hello Kitty makeup products, and it was like my haven. I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, where were you my whole life? I needed this. So I got some products and I'm ready to try them out for this video. Don't forget to follow my TikTok because I also have a TikTok, but I haven't been really posting on it recently, but I will soon. So the first thing that I got is this. It is a makeup sponge and it literally has Hello Kitty on it, which I thought that was so cute. This palette, and as you guys can see, I have not opened it yet. I am so excited to open this. Like, I looked at the colors and they look amazing. I cannot wait to open this. This lip gloss, they had so many like Hello Kitty lip glosses and stuff like that. They had like so many of them. So I just chose this pink one. But let's go ahead and get into this makeup look by starting off with our brows. So the very first step to doing your brows is to, of course, gel your brows down. So I did use some brow gel in advance, but after I let them dry for a few minutes, I basically did an outline of what I wanted my brow to look like so. I used a brow pen, the Milani brow pen, and then after that I used this to fill it in, and then afterwards I turn it around and I use the spoolie part. And honestly, I know I'm not the only one who thinks that doing their brows is so satisfying. I love it when like the concealer goes on, like it looks amazing. But next up is primer, and I prime my face to get it ready for foundation, which this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. I've been using this foundation for a long time. Like as of right now, as of March 2025, it's been 1 year I've been using this foundation, and I haven't been using any other ones because this one is honestly my favorite. Now it's time to contour, and I use this Fenty Beauty contour stick to put it on my forehead and also my jawbones, and I go ahead and blend that out. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be blending out my concealer with this Hello Kitty makeup sponge. Now I'm going to admit, the blending sponge, it isn't my favorite. It's not really my favorite. I think it's a little bit too firm and it's not as soft, so it's a little bit uncomfortable to use, and also I don't think it blends the best. I would rather just stick with the ones that I have, so that's what I'm going to do for the remainder of this video. Now is the nose contour, and I'm also using the Fenty Beauty contour stick. I just put it on a brush, and it's honestly the same in every single video, but I literally have this technique down pat, guys. Like, I'm just so used to doing the same nose contour like every day that like I got it like set in straight. It's like set in stone. But here is me using the same NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer from before underneath my eyes. So I don't like to put it underneath my eyes immediately. I like to do it like after I'm done with my nose contour and stuff. So after that I can go in with powder, because it's not right to like let your contour just like sit there because it can crease up. So I'd rather just, you know, do my concealer last so I can just go ahead and put powder on it right after that so it doesn't have time to crease. Think smarter, not harder, guys. Alright guys, here's the part where I actually bake my makeup. So I just do it underneath my eyes and on my jaw, and then I let that sit for 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow, and here is the palette. It is called Angel Baby, and packaging is just so cute. I almost didn't even want to open it, but here it is. Look at all of these colors. I think these colors are honestly more neutral than I was expecting, but they look super duper cute, and I cannot wait to make a look out of these. So for this eyeshadow look, as you can see, I'm starting with a lilac-y purple color, because, you know, that's kind of the vibe I was getting from this palette. And I also used this darker purple color. I didn't know if I wanted to do like traditional Hello Kitty colors like pink and red, so I just went ahead and did purple. Alright guys, so there is one last final Hello Kitty item that I want to use for this look, and it is this lip gloss. It is in the shade Lovely Apple, and I'm going to be trying it out today, guys. So the packaging is beautiful. I honestly didn't expect it to be this beautiful, but there's Hello Kitty on there, and yeah, it's nice. It's pink and purple, and I already put on some lip liner, kind of, you know, so I can kind of have like a lip combo going on, and I'm going to be using this. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out for the very first time. I'm going to make sure to get a lot of product on the wand, and I'm just going to use it. It's apple scented. That's pretty good. That's cool. Okay, I really like this. It's really nice and shimmery. I think that it's really cute. Would I wear this again? I think I will. I don't really have a lot of like pink lip glosses. A lot of them are just like neutral. But this is really cute, and it's like apple scented, so it smells really yummy. Alright guys, here is the final look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think that these products were, one, amazing, and two, really cute because they have Hello Kitty all on it. One of the products that I honestly didn't really enjoy was the makeup sponge because that was a little bit firm and kind of hard. I think this look is honestly one of my favorites that I've done on my channel so far. And the eyeshadow, are you kidding me? The eyeshadow is so pretty. I am so happy with this look. I'm so happy with how this turned out. And thank you guys for watching and staying along for this adventure. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure to follow my TikTok like I said before. Bye guys.